video. The weather's looking really great today, or I should say the weather's been really awesome. I think today hit a record high of 21 degrees. So wanted to go check out some birds. As spring starts rolling around, the weather warms up and a lot of birds are gonna start migrating back into the province. And I booked a tour here today with our man Stan. So Stan's gonna be taking me around and hopefully we'll catch something, or you know what I mean. Hopefully we'll see. Stan's gonna be showing me around. Hopefully we get to see some birds here and there and learn a little bit about what happens here in this province when springtime rolls around. Let's get it. Like a cloud basically here, just holy moly. It's like a freaking chase right now for us. You just gotta like get here and see all this. This is nuts. I think they're geese, maybe? I don't know. Special thanks to Stan, my tour guide, Stan Shadick. He accommodated me last minute, and he is a volunteer at the Living Skies Wildlife Rehabilitation Group. They're a nonprofit, and they help with injured as well as orphan wildlife to give them a second chance, and opened my eyes really to the birds here in the prairies. So I recommend you guys all to check that out and head out of town, do some exploring.